Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Mitsubishi Lancer with cardboard. First, gather your materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard, a strong adhesive like hot glue or super glue, and a sharp utility knife. Don't forget a cutting mat to protect your surfaces. Also, have plenty of reference photos of the Lancer ready. A well-lit, safe workspace is crucial for precise cuts and assembly. Let's get building. Now, let's tackle the basic structure. Start by cutting out the main body panels, like the chassis and the side profiles, from your cardboard. Use your reference images to get the proportions right. Carefully assemble these pieces, ensuring they are securely glued together to form a stable frame. This stage is all about establishing the car's overall shape before adding finer details. With the main frame complete, it's time for the exciting details. Cut out smaller components like the wheels, windows, headlights, and the distinctive spoiler. Carefully attach these to your Lancer model, paying close attention to alignment and scale. Take your time to smooth out any rough edges and reinforce any areas that feel a bit flimsy. These small touches truly bring your cardboard Lancer to life. For the final touches, you might want to paint your cardboard Lancer to match a real one or apply a clear protective coating. This will give it a polished, professional look. If you're feeling ambitious, you could even add some simple interior details like seats or a dashboard. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. Your incredible cardboard Mitsubishi Lancer is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.